Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to check version updates for lock screen magazine on Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, here in your Realme 5 mobile phone, you'll have to do is go to settings. In settings, go to home screen and lock screen magazine, okay? Tap this. In home screen and lock screen magazine, okay? Scroll down and go to Liwa lock screen section. Okay guys, here you can see the Liwa lock screen, okay? You'll have to do is tap this. And now you can see here the lock screen magazine. Okay guys, you'll have to do is enable the lock screen magazine by switching on the switch button on the right side. And now here, okay, you can see the version of your lock screen magazine. Okay, the version is 9.5.0. And okay guys, to check if the lock screen magazine is in latest version, okay, you'll have to do is tap the version and your version is up to date, no need to update. And that's it. Okay, the version of my lock screen magazine is up to date. And that's it guys, okay? So if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.